This is Princess the goat. Turn around so that everybody can see how beautiful you are. There you go. There. This is Princess, Golden Princess, or Princess the goat. Hello. She's very beautiful. She's 1 week old, or 10 days.
10.
Yeah, she's 10 days old, and she drinks milk from a bottle. Yes. And Ing is her mommy. So.
Time for her milk.
Yeah, it's time for her milk. This is Princess. She's 10 days old, and her mother stopped feeding her. So now I feed her. This is, of course, Henrietta. She's the star here. She's the spoiled baby. This is 4 more little babies. 2 of them are from today. Brand new babies. This is a brand new baby, and that's a brand new baby. That's from about a week ago, maybe 2 weeks. So I was wrong. These are the 2 newborns, and that's mommy giving me that look like, you stay away from my babies if you know what's good for you. Okay, so I will go away. I will go away. Many babies here. Meh. I'm learning to speak goat or sheep or whatever it is. Isn't that cute, the way they gamble?
Three is still very timid.
Yeah. Yeah, these are the three newest arrivals. Not quite sure what to make of this place. Brian found out that the produce manager at the local grocery store was just throwing out all of the extra leaves they stripped off of the vegetables to make them look a little prettier, or if they were too bushy. So every day we go and pick up 3 or 4 boxes of perfectly good lettuce leaves and corn husks and bok choy. And we bring them over here, and these guys just love them. That's right, you just love them, don't you? 18? I named that one. About 4 months ago, Brian was raising these geese and some ducks in a couple of pens, which are right over there. And one day he decided to let them go down to the pond and swim, figured they'd come back at night. Well, it's been 4 months, and they're not back yet. And they are so loud all the time. This is Jack's favorite place. I made a little hammock there between the 2 dog houses and tied it with ropes so that it's tight, and he just loves it. So he hops up there at night and rolls over and lets me scratch his tummy before bedtime. Yep, King Dog, the hero dog, if you've read the story about how he rescued his sister from the coyotes. So he gets special everything. Speaking of special, Jill's got diarrhea, so she's going to get some Pepto-Bismol. Yep. Life of dog. Dog is good. This is a new feeder that Brian had built for the goats. And they don't mind it. But they don't mind corn husks on the ground either. Cows have gotten bigger. They presume that I've got some food for them, which maybe I do and maybe I don't. Yeah, I'll go get some. Our babies are getting big. This is the newest of the babies. And there's 2 over there. And here's Mommy. Hi, Mommy. They're so tiny. This one's just doing his little goat jump. They come over out of curiosity. Oh, look at that. That's how they love to jump. That's where they're happy. Oh, I'm glad I got that. Go ahead, Princess. Princess, do your jumping thing. Jump. Hi, babies. Hey, GB. This is our life. Let me get another close-up of Princess. Hi, Princess. Hi, Princess. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Babies everywhere. That big one likes me. Comes up and puts her face right up to my face, sort of eyeball to eyeball. Come on, Princess, do something cute. There, that was cute. More.